Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and today we are making beetroot dates dry fruit laddus. These laddus are really very quick and all you need is lots of dry fruits whatever you have available in your kitchen. Cut them into small pieces. Take cardamom, make it into powder, and lots of dates cut into very small pieces after removing the seeds. For beetroot, just peel it and boil it and grate it. Look at the color, it already looks so good. And we will need some ghee to make this. We are not going to use any sugar in this, and it's a sugar-free recipe. In a pan, take a spoon of ghee, and in this we are going to ghee roast our beetroot. The idea behind doing this step is to actually reduce the unpleasant flavor of beetroot and let it mix and blend with ghee so that there's a very nice aroma of ghee that is mixed in the beetroot. So just keep mixing it. So it's actually not cooking, it is just getting a little ghee roasted to enhance the flavor of ghee in this entire recipe. Once our beetroot is ready, we will add dates to it, and this is really going to be very important step when you need to completely mix the entire beetroot into the dates. Now dates is already naturally sweet, so we're going to use the sweetness of dates in this recipe, and while doing this process the entire sweetness is getting blended with beetroot, and now this is really going to enhance the complete flavor. So now let's get on with the dry fruits. We need to dry roast our dry fruits, so we will start with the hard ones: cashew, almonds, pista. If you're taking, I am only taking cashew, so just dry roast them, and then we will add coconut and raisins with cardamom powder. You just don't have to do it for too long, just like 3 minutes. And now we will mix it in our already ready beetroot and date mix, and just keep mixing it. Now this is a very important step of actually blending all the ingredients together to give our laddus the flavor that we need. So this will actually enhance the flavor and mix all the flavors, and also will be easy to bind. Now oil your palm with ghee and start making small laddus. This is a very quick recipe, and trust me, it tastes yum. It really goes well with kids, and it is the easiest way to make them eat lots of dates, lots of dry fruits, and lots of beetroot. And dates and dry fruits are really good in winters. So go ahead, enjoy this recipe. It's a sugar-free recipe, so anybody in the house can have it. And this is also a very easy way to consume so much of beetroot as it is. If you like the recipe, please do comment and share with your friends, and don't miss to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.